prestigious hospitals, Fortis La Femme, Apollo Cradle, and Rosewalk hospitals. She has also authored 2 CBSE books, and she has presence in all the media. She's a multitasker, fitness enthusiast, and our very own Herbalife Nutrition President Team member, Dr. Lavleena Nader. Welcome, Dr. Lavleena. Good to have you here.
Thank you for such a warm welcome. I'm not only a Herbalife Nutrition Associate, but I also specialize in the field of obstetrics and gynecology. I am a mother of 2 beautiful children and only 61 years young.
You look as pretty and gorgeous as ever. Thank you, Dr. Lavleena. Thank you. Okay. We are so glad that, we have Dr. Lavleena with us today. Okay, and joining Dr. Lavleena is a woman known for her grace, charm, and style. She's an actor, producer, UN Secretary General's advocate for Sustainable Development Goals, UNEP Goodwill Ambassador, Ambassador Wildlife Trust of India, Artist Ambassador Save the Children, and board member Sanctuary Nature Foundation. Any guesses? Well, she is charming, she's lovely. So ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Dia Mirza.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to have you here, Dia. And the stage is yours. Thank you.
Thank you, Ajay. So nice to see you, Dia, today.
So nice to see you too, Dr. Lavleena.
I'm a great fan of yours. So I would like to say that you started your journey at the age of 16. And, you have been working in an industry which is not only physically demanding, but also mentally. So how have you managed to stay so grounded and balanced?
I think it's a very important question that many of the ladies out there would want an answer for, and I'm grateful to be giving this answer. I started my career at the age of 16, and naturally it involved a lot of travel, meeting a lot of people. There were obviously all kinds of high stress environments, and I think when you start working in an industry that you don't have any familial background with, or you don't have any kind of direct connection with, every aspect about it is completely alien to you. I think there's a lot more pressure on you as an individual, because you're not just learning to deliver to the job, you're learning to discover what the people on the job entail, and also I think the long work hours are something that we weren't, you can't possibly be prepared for, because I remember when I started working in film, I used to clock sometimes 21-hour work days, sometimes direct, like constant, non-stop 36-hour shoot days. And when you're that young, not being able to find the balance is very difficult. So I think when I was about 22, 23, I consciously stepped back and recognized a few things. One was that it is so important to take care of yourself as a woman in order to deliver to your job and to be healthy, not just for yourself, not just professionally, but also for the sake of your family.
Absolutely.
And the second thing was that the only way I could achieve that was by paying more attention to my body and my mind. So some of the things I started doing quite early in my career, and then of course became a lot more dedicated about in the last 10, 11 years, have been regular meditation, everyday meditation, eating a healthy, nutritious diet, ensuring I have the right kind of supplementation of vitamins and nutrition. And alongside that, I think what I've also tried to be conscious about is ensuring daily physical activity. So some kind of exercise, whether it is 10,000 steps a day or it is yoga or Pilates, whatever that may be, but the physical exercise. And I think it's made a big difference in bringing stability, grounding and balance to my life. And more than anything else, it's equipped me with the strength, both mental and physical, to deliver to the different aspects of my jobs that I do. So I'm not only in film, I do a lot of socially driven work. A lot of it is emotionally disturbing. So to be able to confront the challenge and the enormity of many of these things and be able to look at them with a sense of balance and do them with a sense of ease, it comes from, I think, this mind-body balance that I've managed to achieve.
Wow, that was really a 20 years of your journey, so inspiring. And I follow the same philosophy, and we at Herbalife, we truly believe in, taking care of mind, body and soul. And that's what we have been doing here. So, you have shared your heart out, but what challenges have you faced during that journey? As a woman, what have been that you would like to tell us?
I think many of the things that we hear the women express themselves in this video that we just saw, the fact that there are days when you're PMSing, you're heading for your period, you feel physically and mentally dull, you don't feel enough energy, you really need to push yourself harder to go out there and deliver to the job. As women, we tend to put a lot of pressure on ourselves, and that emotional pressure, again, I think makes it so difficult for us to just deal with what we are. And hormonal changes and imbalances occur in different stages and phases of your life, and they come with their own set of challenges and physical challenges as well. And I think what I find common to all women is that our concerns are similar. They're all connected to the hormones that we kind of experience in different parts of and different phases of our life. But the one thing that I really care about, that this video has said, and I think every woman needs to truly believe, is that there is no full stop, no pauses, period. We don't need to bring our lives to any kind of a standstill at any phase of our lives as women because of what we're dealing with physically. There is help out there that we can seek, and it can make a big difference. So I actually want to ask you, what would be your recommendation to all of us women who deal with these hormonal imbalances in different phases of our lives?
Right. So, from PMS to perimenopause on to menopause, the hormonal ups and downs, they encompass a vast array of emotional, physical and psychological changes.
Right.
And as you heard so many women say, PMS manifests as anxiety, depression, irritability, bloating and breast pain, which can be really, it can, affect your daily life. So, there has to be an integrated approach in managing PMS and healthy.
I have to interject here and tell you that my PMS, the symptoms of my PMS reduced significantly when I started doing yoga and meditation. It makes a big difference, but I do know that there is nutrition also that can make a big difference.
Absolutely correct, because active healthy lifestyle, balanced nutrition, exercise is the first step in managing PMS. And you'll be surprised to know that 40% women suffer from PMS. And not, all choose hormone replacement therapy. But, we have herb power. So we have soy isoflavones and chasteberry. These are herbs which help us control the comfort and, well-being of women during the monthly hormonal fluctuations. So these are very, very helpful. And as we heard in the video, of different ages of women, suffering from perimenopause and menopause. So
I saw my mother really suffer during her menopause. The hot and cold flushes, the physical discomfort. It can get really, really difficult for women.
Yeah, it can be debilitating. And I have been lucky because I followed these principles. I learned them in Herbalife very early on. So I saved myself all the trouble. But there's a natural decline in the reproductive hormones during perimenopause. So, from perimenopause till the ending menopause, it presents as night sweats, hot flashes, irritability. There is bone loss and decrease in fertility. And these are issues which can really affect the quality of life. So here again, all women will not choose hormones. So the best option is to lead an active, healthy lifestyle, which, we truly believe in balanced nutrition, which consists of diet with adequate protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and it really goes a long way in helping many menopausal symptoms. And then we have herb power as usual. Those plant extracts like soy isoflavones, that really takes care of hot flashes and night sweats. And chasteberry is also known as a woman's herb, and it has been tried for over 2,000 years.
I was going to ask you how many years?
Yeah, 2,000 years it has been tried.
I often wonder what women like 200, 300 years ago did when they dealt with all of this.
Probably they dealt with it because of these herbs, and it is native to Central Asia and rightly called as woman's herb because it restores the natural balance, and it helps with the mood swings. And if you are thinking positive, your mood is good, you feel bright. So it goes a great long way in managing PMS and menopausal symptoms. So herbs have a lot of power. So what I would like to tell the ladies is, don't worry, it is not the end. It is just a bend. Think positive, take your supplementation, do your exercise. And
absolutely. There is a remedy and a cure, and I'm really grateful that Herbalife Nutrition has amazing products, and more so because they're plant-based, and there are so many different supplements and products focused around health and wellness. And I'm actually very excited and keen to discover what is this new repertoire of products that is going to celebrate the spirit and the health of women, and what makes them really special.
Yeah, so, to talk about this wonderful product, I'm going to have somebody back on stage, somebody very, very special to us. So, can I have our country head, Ajay, back on stage to talk about our new product?
Thank you. It's good to be back with the lovely ladies, Thank you. I was backstage listening to your conversation, and I wanted to come on when Dr. Lavleena was mentioning these ingredients, because we at Herbalife Nutrition have curated something that contains exactly the same.
Wow.
That's why I'm excited to be here. That's precisely why I'm excited to be here.
Good to see that excitement. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Women's Choice. Let's watch the film to know more, but before that, I would like to thank Dia and Dr. Lavleena for being here and wonderfully engaging during the conversation. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Life Nutrition India.